My name is Junید Iqbal. I come from Muzaffargarh city of Punjab province in Pakistan. I turned 26 this year. I came to China in 2014 to pursue my medical education in Zhejiang Chinese Medical University. Then to continue my education in internal medicine, I came to Changshà in Central South University and Second Xiangya Hospital. For me, China has become my second home after spending all these years here. I have heard this term many times called Pathye, which literal meaning is ironclad brother, and it represents the pure friendship between China and Pakistan. I used to hear it from my friends that what kind of medical education they are getting from China. After getting all this information, I had talked to my parents and I showed them my desire to come to China for medical education. And fortunately, they were very happy to hear that because they had a very great impression about China. And they knew that it's very safe in here in China, so they allowed me for my education. First of all is friendship between China and Pakistan. Although I used to hear it a lot back there in Pakistan, but I experienced it myself after coming to China. Secondly, it's rule of law and unity in Chinese people. For example, during pandemic, I used to see whole China was on one page and they was working as one unit. Yes, well, it's a practice of democracy. Actually, there are two biggest meetings of its kind are held in Beijing, in which people from all areas and all fields get their representation and their problems are being discussed and government make solutions for their problems. As I belong to medical profession, I would like to ask a couple of questions related to my own specialty. First one is, China has taken Healthy China as a national policy, which means striving for best health practices for each and every person in the country. How is China going to do that? And second one is, China has taken control over this COVID-19 so efficiently and so quickly. I want to know how was that possible? We should put forward this advice for the world so that they can follow the model and get over this COVID-19.
阿飞，您好，感谢您的提问。就我们基层医疗服务而言，一是强化全国医生队伍的建设，提高全国医生的整体技能水平；二是加强基层医疗机构的建设，逐步完善基层医疗机构设施设备和基本药物的配置，使老百姓在家门口就能进行基本的检查和治疗，中西医并重，要掉腿走路。三是实行分级诊疗制度，组建城市医联体、信誉医工体，建立信息互通、资源共享。阿飞，您还提到了中国是怎样克服疫情，最主要对于我国防控新冠肺炎疫情的措施是采取动态清零的政策，通过堵源头、切断传染途径，保护易感人群。谢谢阿飞。
Thanks for your answer. I got a deep understanding about China. If you have any other questions or you want to know more about these two sessions of China, please leave us a comment.